Hi there, students. Variegated, an adjective. And also you can have a verb to variegate. Okay, I think the first meaning of this talks about leaves, the leaves of a plant. Have you ever had one of these plants that has leaves that are two different colours? Maybe there's one type of green in the centre, and then there's a line and there's maybe a yellow or a different colour on the outside. Variegated leaves. Yeah, these are plants that have different colours. Yeah, they have different appearances in in two parts. Yeah, there are quite a few variegated house plants that we have. Okay, that's very technical, but you could use variegated to mean very colourful, varied, different. Yeah, so the people in my class came from variegated backgrounds. Yeah, he made variegated funny comments about this. So variegated, it's saying noticeable because it has a big variety. The architecture in the centre of Madrid is variegated. It's got many different styles, assorted, heterogeneous, miscellaneous, mixed. Yeah, varied, different. Yeah, so variegated, different, varied. The source of words in English is quite variegated, although a large number come from Latin, but there are many other varied sources. Okay, so variegated, a plant with leaves that are two colours. Yeah, variegated leaves. But something that's variegated, of many different parts, of many different types. So the accents in the UK are quite variegated. Yeah, they're quite varied. There are different ones. Yeah, they have a variety of character. Yeah, they're not all the same. They're diverse. So I think when you write an essay, you need to use variegated structures. Try and use a variety of structures. Yeah, and then the verb to variegate, to add variety to something. Yeah, to diversify. Yeah. The employees of this company are all young white males, and the makeup of the company needs to be more variegated. It needs to be more diversified. You could also variegate something by painting patches of a different colour, so you've got some sort of juxtaposition of colours, and this is the idea of variegated. Okay, so variegated, marked with a variety of colours, patterned if you like, but particularly talking about leaves, but it's probably more useful for you to talk about something variegated, a variety of different things. So yeah, I have variegated videos in my channel. They're marked by variety, by different types. So, variegated. Let's see, formality. This is a fairly formal word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 or 7. I think the botanical use, variegated leaves, use it anywhere because it says two-tone, two-colour. Well, maybe informally a two-colour leaf, or a leaf of various colours. I think if you're using it to talk about a variety, 6.5 informality, use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, from variegare, varius in Latin, various, and agare or agere, to make or to do. So made various, made with different things. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Variegated.